We just did the crank mod, crank bearings, seals. That bearing wasn't touched, but the other ones were. New seals, new crank bearings, the counterbalance shaft, I didn't touch that, just put new seals and whatever. Head's nice and cleaned up. And got the piston in today. It's all Wiseco second oversize. This is actually an OEM piston. But yeah, ready. Thing still ran beautiful. But Comet 102C clutch getting rebuilt, getting new bushings in these F weights. I guess this is one of the better clutches. I just did the front wheel bearings in it. Got new rims, new tires for the front, and keeping the rims for the back. We use them rims. I got new tires. Rebuilt the starter in it. New solenoid, new battery. This is taking that sensor out. I'm just gonna ground them both off. Who needs the rev limiter in reverse? Start it in reverse. Start it in forward. Who cares, right? Wheel bearings in the back too are done. This thing was sitting in a barn for, I don't know, about 10 years. And I got it off my boss cheap. $800. It's like, take it. It's this little project. Sandblasted a bunch of that crap. You know, I was gonna powder coat it, but nah, it's whatever. It's gonna beat the thing. The seat's actually decent. Somewhere around here, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Yep. Nice MR2 sitting here. All new interior, new floorboards. This thing smells like a brand new car in here. Yeah, fireworks. We got rear quarters, front fenders, floor pans. Other side's done. I got so much time into this car. This thing, we hit a deer went through the windshield. Replaced pretty much the whole front on this side. Radiator support and all that. Duracrap bumper, $400 later. Anybody want it, you can have it. Bought another OEM one right there. I got $600 into bumpers on this thing. Windshield coming. Original rims. Powder coated. Got these 4 Pirellis over there.